Brianna, and we are at a family event in preparation for the march in honor of MLK, and we are creating art to use in that march.
We are printing signs and shirts.
Pull fast and hard through, just once.
Rather than a day off, have a day on to come together as a community and make a statement about the world we'd like to live in.
I made 3 shirts. One said, "No human is illegal." The other said, "Black Lives Matter." And the last one said, "I am."
The march was a youth-led march, and so I think the idea, what I overheard one of the art organizers saying, is that the idea is to think creatively about how to bring youth into the movement, and that art is a great way to engage youth. So we're producing posters for the march tomorrow, t-shirts that youth and adults can wear, highlighting just the way that many folks are still dealing with racial inequity.